Using Rhinocobal is really very simple. Rhinocobal dose is best administered when the nostrils are clean. Priming of Rhinocobal is important for accurate dose delivery. On purchase of a new bottle for the first time, priming has to be done by spraying in air 6 times, keeping the bottle away from the face. After priming is done, close the left nostril and gently insert the nozzle about 1 cm into the right nostril. Then press down firmly and quickly to spray while holding your breath. Now close the right nostril and gently insert the nozzle about 1 cm into the left nostril. Then press down firmly and quickly to spray while holding your breath. That's it. You have completed your first dose of Rhinocobal. You can now mark the dose as dose taken in the dosing chart. Please remember to keep the bottle back in the box after every use to protect from light. For routine use, before taking each dose, priming has to be done by spraying 2 times in air. Rhinocobal, an original research product of Troikaa.